Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lacey and this is my art channel. Today we're going to be doing something completely new, and I'm sure you already know from the title, but I'm going to be trying out Posca markers. I've surprised myself in that I have never tried Posca markers before. I have tried other paint markers in the past, but since everyone always raves about these, I thought that I would give it a try. I used other paint markers in the past for my rock painting videos. I do find them to be super convenient, so I'm really excited to be trying these. First, I opened the pack of markers, laid them out, and then I just decided to try to put them in rainbow order as best as I could, and then I swatched them. They gave me this little card on like how to activate the markers, and I have some experience with that in the past, as you kind of activate all the paint markers in basically the same way. It's a lot of shaking and pushing in the nib to get the paint flowing. The main difference between these markers and the other paint markers, in my opinion, is how fast the paint flows. I find that in the cheaper markers, when you push in the nib, a lot of the paint flows out, and these markers are more controlled. The paint doesn't flood the nib. That being said, I did find that I had to shake these markers more and press in the nib more than I would have had to with the others, considering that these markers do have more resistance. The other difference was the color. The colors were a lot more vibrant and cute, in my opinion, than the markers I've used in the past, so I was excited to try them. I did start with 4 sketches. I really wanted to do something autumn theme, and I tried to think of animals that I thought would convey autumn. With the weather getting cooler in September here, I felt like we could use some like autumn vibes. So first I chose a snail. Got this idea because my husband and I have been taking a lot of late night walks, and the other night it felt like a cool autumn evening, and there were a lot of snails out, there were moths, so that's why I decided to choose those. And then I feel like a cat and a bat, kind of perfect candidates for autumn, kind of traditional. So I did the Posca markers first, and then I did an outline. I was gonna outline with a fine liner, but I ended up deciding to just stick with the black Posca marker. It actually went a lot better than I expected because, like I said, the ink doesn't flow so freely, so it was actually really good. And I found that the paint didn't go through the page, which was also surprising to me. I have watched some Posca videos in the past, and I saw that a lot of YouTubers said that it was easy to go over one color with another color, just like using like regular acrylic paint. And I feel like I really leaned into that a lot, just easily covering like any mistakes that I have made. Once I colored all the pictures on the left, I went ahead and made a bigger illustration on the right. I wanted to see how the markers would work in an illustration, and really I wasn't disappointed. Overall, really enjoyed using these markers, and I could definitely see myself using them a lot in the future. You all should let me know in the comments if you like these markers, or if you haven't tried them, would you possibly try them? And also, if you made it this far, first of all, thank you, and second of all, put an autumn emoji in the comments. Okay, so I'm not going to talk for the rest of the video. I'm gonna put on some music, let you all watch it without my interlude. And if you haven't already, please consider clicking the like button and also subscribe, as this directly helps me in my channel. If you try any of these drawings out for yourself, you can consider sharing it with me on social media. I have a link tree in the description. If you click that link, it should show you all of my social media. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm going to see all of you next week, and we're going to be doing another Create This Book video. Okay, bye!
I guess I thought I'd have it figured out by now, but I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know how anybody else knows. Time keeps moving, I keep getting older. Fuck, where did my life go? I gave it up for something false I thought I chose. Here and now I'm waiting for a sign to tell me something I already know. It's obvious. Here and now my mind is saying what I want is something I already know. It's obvious. Haven't been happy in a while. I try my best to hide it with a smile, so you can't see it on my face. When I finally think I've said goodbye to the emptiness I feel inside, I come back to the same place. Here and now I'm waiting for a sign to tell me something I already know. It's obvious. Here and now my mind is saying what I want is something I already know. It's obvious, it's obvious. I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother, but let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need. I still need to recover from another lover. You're my picture perfectly. Still haven't met your parents, but we hang with your brother when he could use the company. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find